Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Hyundai Palisade tire. First, prioritize safety by pulling over to a flat, stable area away from moving traffic. Engage your parking brake and turn on your hazard lights to make your vehicle visible. Next, locate your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench. These essential tools are typically stored in the rear cargo area, often beneath the floor panel, ready for use. Now, let's get that spare tire. In your Palisade, the compact spare is stored underneath the rear of the vehicle. You'll use a special socket and the lug wrench from your tool kit to crank a mechanism that lowers the spare to the ground. Once the spare is free, move to the flat tire. Using your lug wrench, loosen each lug nut about 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise while the tire is still firmly on the ground. With the lug nuts loosened, it's time to lift your Palisade. Consult your owner's manual to find the correct pinch weld jacking points, which are reinforced areas on the vehicle's frame. Carefully position the jack there and begin raising the vehicle. Continue lifting until the flat tire is approximately 1 to 2 inches clear of the ground. Now, fully remove the lug nuts, take off the flat tire, and carefully mount your compact spare. Once the spare is on, hand tighten all the lug nuts. Then, lower the vehicle partially until the spare tire just touches the ground, but the full weight isn't on it. Now, use your lug wrench to fully tighten each lug nut in a star pattern. Finally, lower the vehicle completely, remove the jack, and give the lug nuts one last check. Remember, compact spares are for temporary use only, typically for 50 miles at speeds under 50 miles per hour, so head to a service center soon.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.